Tell me about your history with gold.
You know what? I've had good experience with gold. I'm not gonna lie.
I see the smile.
Yeah, I think the
Good memories.
Yeah. Because the thing is that I think that the pair that really took me back to reality, even though I learned from it a lot, it was pound yen. Oh my God, bro.
I have nothing but bad memories.
Pound yen. It really took me back to reality. I made a lot of money and lost it. You know, I brought an account from 10,000 to like 60,000 on pound yen, lost 45,000 in like 1 or 2 days.
It's like every time I would trade that, I would see a perfect setup, take the trade, and it's like the exact opposite happens.
Yeah.
And it's like,
yeah.
do I need to switch my strategy? That's why I don't trade GJ anymore.
You're
I
not
traded
trading GJ?
indices.
Okay. Yeah.
Have you traded indices? You said you used to trade stocks.
I'm not a
shit.
big fan of indices. Stocks I just buy and hold.
Okay.
I'm not really selling them, but yen specifically, I would tell you to look at euro yen, which is a lower mover, not that risky. But pound yen, oh my God! And 3 a.m. when London hits, you're gonna see those
problem,
spikes.
though, bro. 3 a.m. I'm not even here.
Yeah,
you know.
Yeah. So you're more of a New York session trader. Mm-hmm. Okay.
You can catch good moves, New York with Euro USD.
Yeah. Right now, the fundamentals, we can talk about fundamentals. Pound, euro, very much on the back foot. They've had a lot of economic slowdown. So what are we looking at now? We're looking to possibly buy dollar because dollar is always the alternative.
It's like they're just writing the script so the dollar always comes out on top, huh?
It's been a crazy weeks. It's been a few crazy weeks, but if you look at it, safe haven, reserve currency of the world. You know, that's why you always look at dollar first, then you jump to everything.
So what are your
else.
thoughts on the Russia currency with China?
They've done that.
They've done that.
They've done that in the past. Good luck.
When?
Check it on. You can.
A couple years ago?
Yeah, they've been trying. They've been trying, but they're saying that they're trying to back up their currencies with gold. They're trying to make it gold.
Gold backed. Yeah.
Gold backed. And the truth is that the U.S. has more reserves in gold than all of them together. So what are you doing?
It doesn't lead anywhere.
It doesn't lead anywhere. You're still giving.
They're
control.
trying to get all the other countries to just support. I guess.
Yeah,
huh?
you're still giving control out to the United States because they're in control of most of the gold right now. So, is it really? When I look at fundamentals, is it really happening? It could. There's always probability, but
I want to know,
wouldn't
like,
bet on it.
what do you know a lot about the markets, and but I want to know, like, what were you doing before trading? What was your life like, and what was the vision?
I was in the military.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in the military, postal service.
Hey, thanks for your service.
Yeah, U.S. government. But most of my knowledge came from just hunger, obsession. I think I got really obsessed with the markets. And I say that in a good way. I say that because when
You need it.
When you're really looking for success, you need to be obsessed with what you want. So if you're really obsessed, you'll find anything or any crumb, any piece of trail that you can grab some knowledge on. And that's when I actually met my friend Marco. He's like my trading brother. I told him today, I wish you were here. I wish you could sit down with us and talk with us because he's a ball of knowledge. But everything that I know, he's like mostly on fundamentals. Basically, social media. Mostly social media.
UK?
Yeah, but he's a ghost. Like finding him, oh my, it was hard. It was really hard. But we made a real friendship. I think we don't have any really like bad interests. I think how people
Just want to see people win.
know how people will talk to you right now, maybe say, oh, he's from the TFT guy, let me talk. That was not the type of relationship that I made with him, and we literally sat down and started talking about the markets. I started learning with him a lot. And really that's the trader I am today. I'm a mix of all the perfection and obsession in technicals and that obsession with fundamentals. So
Let me ask you this. In regards to the way that price is delivered, Do you believe that there is an algorithm?
There's always algorithm. There's algorithmic traders that exist. There's algorithmic traders, and
you mean like EA, or are you talking about strategy?
No, there's traders that made an algorithm that developed algorithms, and they use it for trading. They got a lot of orders set in. They got their accounts ready, so that exists.
You support that, or have you tried it out?
No, I haven't tried it out.
Interest you or no?
Not really. I just don't trust it. I like the way I trade. On prop firms, I'm already up 100,000 plus in payouts.